Every baby is born with all the innocence and hope we adore. Depends on others to live and learn how to get around in this world. My favorite thoughts of you give me so much feeling, 'cause I'm so into you. I got you here in my dreams. Don't you know I'm hoping that one day you'll come true. We all deserve a life of liberty, with food and shelter and care if we're suffering, free from the pains of war, greed and power, free to fulfill our dreams. You belong with the birds and the trees and the skies up above. You belong at the peak of Mount Kilimanjaro. You belong in fields of shining flowers and gold. You belong to the beauty of the world. My favorite thoughts of you give me so much feeling, 'cause I'm so into you.
As I heard from you, Joy, to summarize it, know yourself, know who you are, know your values, and nobody else should tell you anything that you're not. I like that. Ladies, as African women in Europe, we say, together we are strong. Well, thank you, Jennifer. It was wonderful meeting you, and have fun.
I will
and together we are strong. My name is Angie. Enjoy the video, and we hope to see you here with us, African women in Europe. Together we are strong.